So today we are going to talk about photos. Yes, I know we already talked about photos. I know maybe I'm a pain on your nerve and I'm sorry, not sorry for that. But, photos are the one thing you can use online to get people to your store, to get people looking at your stuff. Photos and videos, of course. But those are the things which have the most impact. And after that, you have the text. But first, it's the image, it's a picture. That's why you need to take pictures, not just of your products, but also about your production process. So if you're creating products on your computer, make a shot of that production process. Show what you are doing. If you're creating your products on your table, go ahead, take pictures while you are creating. There can't be a wrong picture, and it doesn't have to be highest quality. It just have to be a picture. Because those pictures are perfect if you want to use them for your social media updates. And we talked about that before, how important it is to schedule your social media updates up front and to have really a lot of images of your product just because you need them to advertise. And it's not 100% important that you have the best high quality images while you are producing something. That can be really just a snapshot. It's just important that you are doing these images to get people, draw them into and show them what you are actually doing. I've seen images and also videos which have not been the highest quality with hundreds of thousands of views. So it can't be just the quality, but it's always good to put yourself in a good light. But maybe for these production photos, it's not the most important thing that you add pictures of highest quality. If you can, do it, but if not, do the pictures yourself. Just use your phone and take some pictures. We all have these beautiful smartphones which allow us to take pictures wherever we go, and do that and use these pictures for your social media update all across your profiles.